Here's the backyard project. We're running new sprinkler lines at the house. This right here will be a pond. Water will be pumped up to the top of the hill. There's a slide up there. The creek follows this creek bed, takes a turn, placing these larger boulders. Some landscape rock up here. This is our little sprinkler lines everywhere. We use the skid steer with the trencher on it. Obviously the Mini X helps with digging, lifting, everything. We got the Vermeer loader over there that's really light on its feet, but can move a lot of heavy things. Those rocks will be bridges somewhere over the creek. Had to cut new wire into the lawn, the existing lawn, so we can connect our system together. There's Roy up there tying down his pipe. We'll do another shot as we go.